Hi, welcome to this short demonstration on AI applied to common daily tasks of messaging using Office 365. My name is Lalit Mohan. I'm a solution specialist for Microsoft. All the names and data references here within these demonstrations are fictitious and only for this demonstration purpose. Artificial intelligence is intelligence that is exhibited by machines or software. It is the effort to create computers and computer software that are capable of intelligent behavior. Here is a common day AI service that can help us craft better messages that are more likely to get response from their receivers. Learning from a combination of machine learning techniques, this AI assisted service has identified a set of factors that are listed here on the right that contribute to an email's probability of garnering a response from its receivers. The first factor listed is the subject length, and it is recommended and based upon the learning from the lot of data that 3 to 7 words in the subject line are best bet to actually receive a response. The second factor is word count. There is a sweet spot of 50 to 250 words in any message that are known to get a better response. Very large or very small, beyond this, the message is not so conducive to receive a response. Similarly, question count. If you need to put questions, 1 to 5 is a good number to include. And lastly, the reading level indicates the difficulty of understanding based upon the sentence construction and the grammar in the message of the body of the email. So this service is able to give you a feedback after reading and analyze what you create in the message as it should be between 1 to 7 on the scale provided. Let us now go through the experience of using this AI service. So I'm going to type a message, says data is collected. This was the request from the previous meeting held many days ago in the central. Let's see how it fares when judged by this AI service. So once the typing goes through and the AI service is looking at it, it tells you that it is very unlikely if you send message like this, it will be responded. So I need to do some cleaning here. So let me look at my language, which I typed in. So this was requested from the previous meeting. Let me make my grammar slightly better by using the punctuation. And from the meeting held many days ago. And this doesn't really matter, right? Let's see, after making these changes, once these changes are evaluated by the AI service, what happens? You see notice the lowest scale, it dropped down to the green area where now the sentence construction has got much better to convey the meaning. But it is still saying that it is unlikely that I will get response. So let me add something in the subject field, and that relates to the purpose of writing this message. And also I'm going to follow that 2 to 6 words in the subject length recommendation. So now you see the top scale slider slide up into the green territory, and also the overall score changes to green. Of course, it's not still perfect, but it says now I am likely to get a response. Let us now take a look at a different email, which I have already a sample prepared here. This is basically an invitation from the employer to the employees to celebrate the outcome of a quarter. And if you look at these sliders on the right, it has a subject which is falling in the green, so the right length. It has content, which is also within the recommended count of words. It has no questions, but if you read through it, actually the sender is requesting for confirmation. So let's put a question mark, and then the AI should be able to update this particular things which are requested back as an RSVP. if you look at the reading level, it's pretty high. It is among in the area where it's a little difficult to understand. So perhaps the sender can work a little to improve there. However, still, again, the overall score is not perfect. One green bar is empty, but it's still the employer, when he sends this mail, is very likely to get response from the construction and the whole setup which is there in this particular message. So, in closing, I would like to relate that such an intelligent behavior, as seen here, can be of great help to us in regular day to day tasks, making us more productive, effective, and impactful in our daily actions. This service, which you see here, can, in addition to this sort of assistance, also help you schedule emails. Emails that are not to be sent immediately but later at another optimum time. This service can also make you as a sender to remember to follow up important messages, and typically the messages that don't usually get response on time. And it also allows scheduling meetings a real breeze. Thank you for watching the video. Good luck.